Welcome to our channel, where today we'll solve the mystery of whether the vast island of Greenland was once a peninsula. This question may seem simple, but the answer conceals profound geological secrets that will change your view of the history of our planet. Today, Greenland is the largest island on the planet, shrouded in an ice sheet 3 times the size of France. You probably know Greenland as a cold, snow-covered landmass completely surrounded by water. But was it always an island? First, let's understand what the term island actually means and what a peninsula is. An island is a landmass completely surrounded by water, while a peninsula is a landmass connected to the mainland on at least one side. Could Greenland once have been a peninsula? What did it look like? Greenland was once part of the North American continent, connected to what is now Canada. It was essentially a vast northern peninsula, stretching toward the Arctic. Long ago, millions of years ago, the continents weren't as they are today. They slowly shifted, collided, and drifted apart, blending landscapes. Animals and plants migrated across the connected landmasses, such as musk oxen, the ancestors of modern caribou, and the ancient people of the Paleo-Eskimo cultures. What changed? Around 60 million years ago, powerful tectonic processes began. The Earth's crust in the area of what is now Baffin Bay began to stretch. The continental plates slowly moved apart. A crack formed, which was filled with water. Thus, Greenland separated and became the largest island on the planet. An important point. This separation did not occur abruptly, but rather as a slow shift of the continent centimeter by centimeter, over hundreds of thousands of years. Conclusion. Yes, Greenland was once a peninsula. It was part of North America. It became an island due to tectonic plate divergence. This happened long before the advent of humans. Current state. After the end of the last ice age and the melting of the glaciers, sea levels rose, and the straits, primarily the Nares Strait in the north, filled with water about 10,000 years ago. This finally made Greenland an island within its current borders. Climate and ice ages had a particular influence on Greenland's modern appearance. Vast ice sheets shaped the landscape. So, to summarize, Greenland is not just a huge island of ice, but a living witness to our planet's past. Its geological history, which goes back millions of years, shows us how tectonic processes and climate change the Earth's features. Another interesting question is related to the name Greenland. Why Greenland if there's ice there? This name isn't about climate, but about human cunning, hope, and long-term vision. In the 10th century, the Norwegian navigator Eirik the Red found himself in exile. He sailed to unknown northern shores and saw what few had seen. The south of the island was truly green in summer. The fjords resembled Norway. The grass grew, and sheep could graze. But most importantly, Eirik understood people. He named the land Greenland, not out of naivete, but out of calculation. The logic was simple and brilliant. If you call this land Iceland, no one will sail there. But Greenland sounds like a chance that settlers will sail there. The name became an invitation, almost an advertising slogan, long before the age of marketing. And it worked. People actually went there. New settlements arose, farms existed, cattle were raised, people lived for centuries later. The climate became harsher, and many people left this land. But the island's name remained an imprint of that short, warm pause in the island's history. Looking deeper, the name Greenland is not a mistake or a mockery of nature. It is a reminder that the Earth is constantly changing, the climate is changing, and words and names sometimes outlive eras. Today, without a doubt, this is one of the most impressive islands on our planet. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the Earth's amazing mysteries, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave your comments, tell us what you think about the mysteries of nature and science. See you again, and have a wonderful day.